My Greenworks 2,000 pounds per square inch pressure washer won't turn on. The knob is very hard to turn.
What's the make and model of the pressure washer? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Greenworks 2000, about 2 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I'm going to try.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me. Which knob is hard to turn?
The on-off knob. This is an electric pressure washer.
That is part of the valve and switch assembly. The issue is they do not sell the parts for that unit, they just sell a couple of attachments since these are considered throwout units. You can call this number, Alf, and Hey may send you a new one for free due to that issue. #//P. Please remember to use the rating link on the top of your page. Scroll to the top, then select a star rating. Even though you paid the site, they will not disperse any part of it to me until you supply a good rating. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
Wow, this is a $300 pressure washer.
Yes, I know, but they just do not sell all the internal parts for them. Give that number a call, you will likely get a new one.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.